Hello students. Today I'm going to show you how to do your CLB5-6 class evaluation. So as you can see, I'm in the Google Classroom and I am in the classwork tab. So under the classwork tab, I'm going to find right at the very top CLB5-6 class evaluation. So I click on that and we just have to wait. Okay, and then we see the pretty picture come in with the coffee cup, and it says CLB5-6 class evaluation, so you know you're in the right place. Now, always important to read the instructions. It says, please read and answer the questions. The next question says, select your class. So down here, you want to choose Julie's class. So you see where it says on AM 5C 9 o'clock, Julie, that's me. Now I can scroll down a little more and question number one says, I met my learning goal this session. So you have to know what was your learning goal. So please explain. I wanted to learn how to speak better and participate in an online class. Okay, so maybe that was your goal. Maybe you have a different goal why you are learning English. So I'm going to click yes. You are going to do your own, make your own decision. So number two says the class activities such as teaching style, the use of computers, online class time helped me learn. So you choose yes sometimes or no. And then they want an explanation. So you can write whatever you want here. So for example, I enjoyed doing, I enjoyed how Julie, I don't know, whatever you think I did well, you could put it there, for example. Now the next one, in number three, says my favorite activity was. So what did you like best about CLB5? You can write it right here. So number four, I am learning more English, a lot, some, or just a little. So that depends on you. And I just keep scrolling down. And number five, my English helps me. And you can check off all of the different places that it helps you. So you can click wherever you want on this one. Number six, oh, it looks like they have pictures. They're always fun. I feel comfortable, welcome, and happy in my class. And yes, always, sometimes, or never. I, of course, hope you're going to say yes, always, but you have your own opinion. And then they want to give you to give an explanation. So an example might be Julie always says hello to me and my friends. My classmates are friendly. Are friendly. Oops, I'm having trouble with my spelling here. Okay, or whatever you would like to write. So number seven, did you make friends in link class? So either yes or no. And number eight, I do things with my link friends outside of class. Well, I'm hoping that everybody's going to say no for that one because we're all supposed to be in quarantine right now, unfortunately. So you could give that example. Well, usually I would meet my friends sometimes on the weekend, but we can't right now due to COVID-19. Okay, so staff number 9 says, staff at EMCN help me with, okay, So staff means like a teacher, the coordinator like Malika, or somebody from the office. They might help you. So did somebody at EMCN in this session from September, October, November, December help you with settlement issues? Did anybody help you with job search and resume writing? Well, I think I did. And then mental health counseling. Did you go see a counselor? Did anybody help you specifically with your child in school? Or did you get some assistance with computers, like you were having trouble getting your audio or your just connecting online? Did Malika or Omar help you with that? Or maybe even I did, I don't know. Okay, next one is number 10. So I want to learn more. Listening, speaking, reading, writing, grammar, or technology. So technology would be more cool things that you can do online. And then you could tell us, please tell us more about what you want to learn. So for example, I want to learn how to make my own YouTube video maybe, or something. So, or maybe there's other things you'd like to know about writing letters online or organizing files and folders. Number 11 says, I can use my computer or phone to get into class on the internet. So you guys are all, so you can use your computer or phone to get into class, and we've got always, sometimes, or never. So if you're always in class, it's going to be always. If you sometimes have some trouble with it and you can't get into class, you can click sometimes. And next, we're talking about the big blue button class where we meet like all together, face to face. So big blue button class is easy, okay, but I need some help, or it is still difficult for you. You still can't do the mute, you still can't connect your sound and your microphone. Only a few more questions. Okay, so then it says give me examples. Okay, so I am still having trouble with my microphone maybe. Okay, or I need a laptop, whatever it might be. And now number 13, using Google Classroom is easy, okay, but I need help from my kids, or hard. So whatever it is for you, and then you can give some examples. Well, before I didn't know how to do anything, but now I can find activities and do them on my own in Google Classroom. Okay, and next we've got 14. I do my classwork in Google Classroom. Well, I I would hope that everybody says always, but I know that a lot of people are going to say sometimes because you're busy. So I get it. And I think this is the last one. Oh, thank goodness it's the last one. Number 15. What I learn has helped me be more successful in Canada. I'm able to easily communicate and make friends in the community, at work, etc., or to find work or support others. Well, that is hard right now. It's not easy to do anything in COVID. So, but just think about how we are now using technology, our phones and our computers, to do things in the new world of COVID world. So, are you more successful with what you're learning in class? Is it helping you? Sometimes, always, or never. And then you can explain, okay? So what I have learned online is helping me with whatever it's helping you. What am I helping you with? With maybe writing emails and understanding the new COVID rules, etc. So you get write that, and now you decide what you want to write. I'm just giving you ideas, so then you just go through and make sure. Ooh, make sure that you have clicked an answer in all of those, and then you click submit. But I didn't, so it's going to give me a message. Oh no, I did not do it. I did not do it. So okay, so that is how you do the CLB5 class evaluation, and you're going to find it inside the Google Classroom under classwork, and it's going to be right at the top of your classwork. Okay, bye. Thanks for listening.